Hello little learners. Today we are going to solve LKG English worksheet. If you are in LKG, then you are going to solve this kind of worksheet at home. Okay, so let's start today's video. Let's go and solve. Okay, it's been done for you. This one is uppercase or capital letter A, and this one is lowercase small letter a. Now this one is capital letter D. Then where is the lowercase or small letter d? Yes. So you are going to join this. Capital letter F with small letter f. Capital letter B with small letter b. And capital letter C with small letter c. Okay, done. Now the second. I hope you are going to match all these. Okay? Okay. You are going to match. Now the third one. Okay? Now you are going to trace the letter. Okay? You are going to trace the capital letter and small letter. Let's trace it. Okay? First step is going downwards. Then here also going downwards. Then join these two. So we made letter A, that is capital letter. Okay. Now we are going to write the small letter A. Downward. Then so this one is letter A, that is small letter. Now once again we are going to trace capital letter A and small letter A. So you are going to do all these things, okay? Now once again these are the capital letter A's and the small letter A's. You are going to do it, okay? And let's find out where is capital letter A and where is small letter A. And we are going to circle and circle it with another color, okay? Capital letter with red color. Yes. Another A. Another A, okay? And we are going to circle the small letter with blue color. Is this blue color? Yes. So, these are the small letter A's. So, you are going to practice, okay? Then only you can find out. Oh, you already find out? Very good. Excellent. Now, CVC words. So, here it's written CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant, words. Okay. And beginning sounds. Write the beginning sound of each picture. Okay. So, here are the consonants given. V, C, F, G and H. These are the consonants and these are the objects or the words. The first letter is missing. Okay, first letter is missing. So this is the picture of a car. K, k, k sound came from C, right? So we are going to write the consonant C. So this one is consonant, vowel, again consonant. Okay, C, V, C words. So beginning sound is k, k. That is for C. Okay. Now this one is the picture of a bat. B, b. So we are going to write down here letter B. Okay. B, a, t, bat. Okay. Now this is the picture of a, what is this? This is the picture of a fan. Fan. Very good. Okay. F. We are going to write F, A, N. Fan. Now this one is the picture of a hot. 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 Now this one is, he's going to fix something. So F, E, S. So F sound is coming from F, right? So fix. This one is gum. G, G sound is missing here. So we are going to write G here. G, gum. So rest of the things you're going to do this. Okay. We are going to do the middle sound. Okay. So middle sound, this is also CVC word. So middle sound is for vowels, right? So here are the vowels A, E, I, O, U, right? So here is the picture of a pig. Okay. P, E, G. So E sound came from vowel I. Very good. This one is the picture of a dog. D, G. So a sound came from O. Okay. This one is the picture of a bus. B, S. So the sound came from letter U. Now this one is bed. So B, A, D. A coming from E, vowel or letter E. Okay, this one is the picture of a map. A, P. So we are going to write here A. Now this one is the picture of a bag. Bag. So B, A, G. So A sound came from A, vowel or letter A. This one is the picture of a fox. Okay, fox. So X. So which sound is missing? O, fox. So rest of the three you are gonna fill it and tell me in the comment section. Okay. Now this one 4-letter words. Okay, we are going to fill this. So first one is the picture of a face, right? So F, E, S. This S, it is a digraph. SH, they have one sound. Okay. So F came from F, right? So F-I-S-H. Now this is the picture of a bird. Bird. So B, B, B sound is missing, right? So this came from letter B. So we are going to write letter B. B-I-R-D. Bird. Now this one. He's a farmer, right? So going to the farm. So here already arm is written. So farm. Sound came from again F. Okay. Now this one is the picture of a. You all love this. Yes. So this one is the picture of a corn. Corn. So on. So k sound is missing. So C. Okay. This one is the picture of a hand. Hand. Show me your hand. Yes, this one. So the spelling is H and. So that sound came from letter H. Okay, this one is you got this in your birthday. So you got this on your birthday. So what you got on your birthday? Gifts, right? So G, E, F, gift. Okay, so G sound came from G. Okay, letter G. This one is camp. Camp. Okay, K sound came from C. So C A M P. Camp. Okay. So rest of the things you are going to do it and tell me in the comment section. So these are all CVCC words. Okay. Consonant, vowel, consonant and consonant. Here this is fish. So consonant, vowel. I is a vowel. So then consonant and consonant, right? So this is CVCC word. All are belongs to CVCC words. Thank you for watching, my little ones. Do like, share and subscribe, and please follow Kiddoctive Homeschooling.